So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to make a tree in just 2 seconds. So if you are following my series, this is the second video of it, and in the first video I showed the simplest way to make a tree, which is right over here. So if you don't know how to make a simplest tree, it is just two circles. So I am going to teach you today a better way to show a schematic plan of the tree to show it in your AutoCAD plans. So what you have to do after you have reached this stage, you can up, up, upgrade your tree very easily. Just select the bigger circle and just move turn off the ortho and just move it by just copy and just move it by, like, let's say 30 centimeter or 30 right over here, and just like the way this collides. So this can be a very good and the easiest simplest way you can do your plan of the tree. And this was all for the video. I am making 7 series of the trees just like this. So if you want to learn how to use the AutoCAD and how to make the easiest kind of tree just by yourself in just like 2 seconds, as I told you, then subscribe to my channel, like, share, and share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.